Hello everybody, welcome to SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over the Dewalt 20 volt max little handheld flashlight. Model number is DCL040. Hyper basic tool, guys, but still wanted to do a quick review on it. It's super light, and for these, I've seen a couple of different ones. I actually have two different Ryobi ones, and I've used the Milwaukee. The Milwaukee is actually pretty decent as well. But for what this is, guys, it actually throws a really good beam, and it throws it pretty far too. It's directed pretty hard. It is operated off just one LED down on the bottom, which is nice because it does really well on battery. And that's putting it lightly. I mean, the battery will last literally like over a day being on the whole time, depending on the size, but this very light battery usage. Also, it's very light, and it fits in your hand really well. Obviously, with this massive battery, it has a little bit of weight to it, but with a smaller battery, it's a really nice little handheld light. I actually use different versions of these from different brands from time to time, four-wheeling quite a bit, and so or camping or just being out. So this is a really neat light that we like, and I'm going to drop a battery in it, and I'll show you it just against the regular light in here. I mean, you can see it's pretty direct, and I will even turn off the lights and give you guys some kind of little bit of a demo like that. But yeah, holy moly, guys, I'm back. All right, so lights are off, and as you can see, guys, this thing throws light really good. Even from far away, it carries. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. If anybody has any other ideas for future videos, please do not hesitate to let us know in the comments below. If you did not subscribe, don't forget to do so. We're giving this entire drill kit away to a subscriber at the end of March. Plus, we're going to bring you tons and tons of more awesome videos. Leave us video ideas in the comments below as well, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.